Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to the latest Bluetooth speaker from Monster, which is the Monster Superstar S320 Bluetooth speaker. This is a speaker produced by Monster with high power, 360-degree sound, and long battery life for you to enjoy impressive music even when you are at home or outdoor activities. And today, I invite you to join me in exploring this special speaker. The product is equipped with Bluetooth 4.2 technology for a connection range of up to 10 meters with your phone, tablet, laptop, and more. In addition, this Bluetooth speaker can connect to two speakers at the same time to enhance the sound space, meeting the needs of lively, powerful music at your parties. Furthermore, the product is integrated with IPX7 water resistance, so you can rest assured when carrying the speaker with you during outdoor activities such as beach/pool parties, water sports like rowing, or even using it in the bathroom. The accessories that come with the product include a 3.5mm jack, micro-charging cable, wrist strap, and instruction manual. Firstly, looking at the design of the product, it is made of plastic and rubber, giving a very sturdy feel while still being very lightweight, weighing only about 0.6 kilograms. This makes it easy to carry with you on all your journeys. The control buttons are located right next to the product with buttons for power on, off, volume up, volume down, stop playing music, and connect two speakers. The product has a battery life of approximately 8 hours, when opened at 50% volume, to give you a seamless experience when using it, and takes only about 3 hours to fully charge. And those are my personal reviews of the product modeled Monster Superstar S320 Bluetooth speaker from Monster. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to our channel to support us in future videos. See you soon.